Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. I'm coming at you with another 365 days of fish keeping, which means that I'm posting one video for the entirety of 2022. We're going to highlight fish foods, plants, fish, various equipments, anything fish related that I want to show you guys. These videos are going to be quick little snapshots for the subject of the day. If we're talking about fish and plants, you're going to get a little synopsis on them and a care guide. If we're talking about food and equipment, we're going to run down how I've used them, if I like them, if I don't like them, and everything's going to get a rating from 1 to 10 based on how much I like it, ease of use, how well it gets along in the tank, all that good jazz. As always, thank you so much for all the support on the videos. Please, though, if you have not, remember to smash that sub button. And let's get into the video. For this video, I want to look at a plant called the Ammannia Gracilis. It's a stem plant that could give off wonderful reds and pinks when under the correct light and has CO2 induced into the tank. It also goes by the names red Ammannia, large Ammannia, delicate Ammannia, and pink Ammannia. First introduced in the hobby by P.J. Boonzik, I believe is how you say his name. In the wild, it's native to West Africa in the floodplains, marshes, streams, and rivers. It will grow its roots into the sandy soil, which has very little nutrients. It also can grow both emerged and submerged. When it is submerged, it'll have more elongated and narrow reddish-brown leaves. And when it's immersed grown, it will have more shorter leaves with more rounded edges and have a more dark green color to it. Grow upwards of 2 feet in length if it's given the right conditions, and the leaf color can be anywhere from a pale green to a bronzy red depending on its light intensity and the nutrients in it. If allowed to grow below and above the water level, the leaves will develop differently, mentioned as before, depending on where they are. When the plant is grown immersed, it can even develop little purple flowers on the stems, which look really cool. As far as water conditions go, the pH for these is going to be anywhere from 6.5 to 7.5, and a GDH of 6 to 8. A nutrients-rich substrate with iron and a high light watt, about 2 to 3 watts per gallon of water, and it's going to want about 12 hours of light a day, so a higher light than normal. Temperature-wise, 70 to 82. If you are injecting CO2, you're going to want to do about 25 to 30 parts per million, and we'll want a micronutrients such as iron present in your water. When there's not enough iron in the water, the leaves are going to, become pale in color. And then when the nitrates are too low and there's high phosphate content in the water, it will actually give you the best results. So keep that in mind. Now, it is slightly more immediate care or intermediate care level compared to some other plant species in the hobby. So for all the specific needs of this plant and the very intricacies about getting the water just right and the substrate just right, that not every hobbyist can frankly provide, I'm going to give the Ammannia Gracilis only a 5 out of 10, unfortunately. But as always, thank you all so much for watching and all of the continued support. If you're new here and you enjoy what you see, maybe think about hitting that sub button. And everyone else, please leave a like. Comment down below if you've kept these, if you've been successful, if you haven't been. Personally, I haven't been very successful keeping these, unfortunately. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next one.